Coming from the hospital, people come when they're pregnant to sign up. Anyway, she said it's completely booked. There's like 40 people on the waiting list. There's no hospital. Wait, this year? So your kid's already 2? Good. So maybe when she's 4, you might be able to get her in 1 day a week. I said, oh my God. This is your first child, obviously. I said, she'd have to call it years to have here. What place is this? Well, this is the same thing with there's one married and American Girls Club. Does a very good job. But someone told me there I couldn't even get in. They're starting to call you. Wouldn't get in the next 2 years. And you turn left to go towards Cheshire with the first big white farmhouse on the right at the nursery school.
You're making left.
And I said, I really don't want to have to beg. I really want her to go there because I want her to be with cows and they have horses.
Oh,
yeah, rabbits and all kinds of nice things.
Easy, like she has a straw.
And they have, it's on an apple orchard. So I said, I really would like her to go there. And she said, well, it's the only thing I can tell you. You could try me next week, because I've sent out letters to all the people. She tried me next week. So I called her a week later, and want another shot?
No.
And she said, you're calling me again? And I said, yeah. She goes, well, since you're so anxious, I'm going to, don't tell anybody if you know anyone on the waiting list. She said, but there's 2 people who haven't called me back, who were supposed to call me back by March 1st, and it's March 3rd. She said, I'm sure I'll probably hear from you today, but she said, if I do, I'm going to pick one of them and say, I already filled the space. I said, you're kidding! I said, I was so afraid I was being too pushy. She goes, no, not at all. She said, I'd rather have people who are anxious and excited than people who can't write back to me.
So how does it work? Like every day? Or?
No. It's Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12:30 to 3:30. Some site.
Oh my God.
And they said they have a ratio of 5 kids to 1 teacher. And I'm not even going to really be fair. So no, she's ready for night classes. She'd be fine with 3 and 4-year-olds. She'd be better.
So she's ready for college.
Yeah, that's what I said. I said
Really?
she's looking for a few night courses at the local college. She'd laugh. I said, if you want, you can interview us or whatever, but I really would like her to get it. So she said, she did it. It's called Happy Time Nursery School.
Where's this?
Happy time.
Up on the right, in Norton's.
Oh, okay.
We've got cows.
In Cheshire.
In Cheshire, right.
That's a
Closer than
farmhouse we
anywhere else.
always admire.
Everybody always does, yeah. People always say, oh, I know that farmhouse.
But for goodness sake.
Yeah. But it's closer than any other. Even Girls Club one, that's like, it takes 25 minutes to get there from here because you have to go through town. But it's a very good one for the American Girls Club. I've heard from a lot of people it's really good. But it was like, I kept saying, yeah, I really should check into it, I really should. And I finally asked a girlfriend about that one. They said, don't even call the Girls Club, you'll never get in. You're kidding. Oh, it's much too late. Oh, great.
It's kind of scary that Well, if you everything's want to so speed it up, that you have
But if you
to.
want to get a nursery school, they only hold 30 or 35 kids. Each town has like 300
Can I see
youngsters.
your book, please?
So if they only take 30 or 35, you have to sign up ahead of time.
Please, may I see your
Oh,
book?
that was very exciting.
Start off at the beginning.
Is there some kind of contract? She has to go for a year or.
Well, you have to pay for a year.
Oh.
If you, there's some kind of rule if you stop before the year is out,
Has a little
if you have a
white
medical
tail.
reason or if you're
Cottontail rabbit
transferred, you
has
have
a
to give a
little white
letter. You can't just say, I decided no, she's crying every day. She's not into it. They
Where's the
say.
bubble?
Yeah. And I thought, oh, that's fine. It was a little, brochure with the name on it, little logo.
Bunnies love to
Now
eat
these
cabbage
teachers, how many teachers?
in Farmer Brown's
Well, she
garden.
said there's 4 teachers, but
Where's the
there's
cabbage?
5 kids each teacher. So.
Right.
Which
That's
is
right. Where's the bunnies?
You see
Yep.
there are like 15 kids.
Some rabbits have giant ears, and some have tiny ones. The snowshoe rabbit changes color in his coat to white in the wintertime.
That sounds very good.
Very fast.
Now March, you have to go end of April for an orientation, which is really
Angora rabbits have soft, cuddly fur,
But
and
they do
lop-eared
lots
rabbits
of
have
outdoors, so you
long,
have to dress them
floppy
according to the weather because
ears.
they're always outside.
Look at those ears. Where's the ears? Where's the long, floppy ears? Yeah. Yeah.
Leave her.
Oh.
Dutch
Sure.
rabbits have
So she talks
black
about she wants to
There
go
are
to
many
school.
different
We're
kinds of
going to drive
rabbits.
her into school.
These
I
are
want
called
to go to
Vienna
that school.
Blue.
That's
And
Jessica's
a
school. I
Flemish
want to go
giant
there.
rabbit and a chinchilla rabbit.
I've taken her
and
walking
there's
to
a
schools. I did
cottontail.
for the women's volunteer group thing. With
Rabbits
Kate,
have
Kate,
large
Teachers Day.
families.
I had to go to the
Big
Yale
rabbit,
School.
rabbit, 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 rabbit,
And she
rabbit,
came
rabbit,
in
rabbit,
the
rabbit.
morning.
3 rabbits are there.
She was like,
Big rabbit.
walking
Lots
through
of
this
rabbits.
hall. There's little
And
kids.
lots of rabbits.
Probably like 5 and
They're
8
big
and 9.
Yeah, they're big.
Not big kids. So she
Rabbits
could relate.
like to
They're
get
sitting
dressed
at
up
desks
if
and they're
they're
writing
going
like
to be
this.
a
And
storybook.
she walks by the hallway.
So this rabbit's
They're
going to
all
be a
with
storybook to wear
pencils,
clothes.
Mom. They're writing A,
There's a
B,
mama
C,
rabbit with a
D.
little baby.
I said, yeah. I want to go
At
sit in
Easter
there. And she was like
time,
very quiet.
there are-
She knew that it was like,
kind of rabbit?
you can just
Yeah,
feel it
yeah,
when you're in the
yeah.
school.
Chocolate
Discipline,
rabbits.
kids are sitting, they're not
Where's the
talking,
chocolate
they're
rabbit? Show me a
writing,
chocolate
they're-
rabbit.
You know, she
Yeah.
was amazing. She talked about that for days. I'm going to go to school.
And where's the
I
eggs?
want to go.
Yes, and that's a regular rabbit. Where's the chicken?
I'll feel better once we get
Turtles
up there.
like to think they
Let's
can
go to
be
6
rabbits
months
that
away.
are
Yeah,
raised.
She'll be
yeah. She'll be even that much more ready. Yeah.
But it's almost like babysitting. It's
But
not
they
easy to
can't,
teach them. It's
because
not like
rabbits
sitting in a
run
row.
fast.
It's
And
just
that's
learning.
the end of
They
a
say that
rabbit
nursery schools
story.
have much more
The
social
end.
growth than
Oh,
an
yeah,
education.
yeah,
It's only
yeah.
social. It's to
Yeah.
learn
Yeah,
other
rabbits on
children
both
and
sides.
discipline.
How to-
And there's a
Some
teacher
rabbits
to
are
relate
in the
and,
flowers,
Act with other
and some
kids
rabbits
and
are
stuff.
in the cabbage.
she'll be killing them all.
And some rabbits are white, and some
will.
rabbits
I
are
know.
brown.
She's a,
What color rabbit is that?
Better,
she's a
well,
brute.
really,
Right.
better that way than if she was sat in a little corner
Floppy ear
and there was
rabbits.
a little mouse and didn't say peep.
That
You wouldn't.
you say that because you're her grandmother. If you're the parent of another child, you would say
Oh, she
that
doesn't.
brute.
You pick on
I
the
saw the worst she ever did was in that film. that
Oh,
was
she
showed
grabbed the
running
kid.
across, and Richard said she's going to knock that little boy down.
Can't
Boom, the
see
little
it.
boy went down. But he got up
actually-
again. She didn't cripple anybody.
Could
She
have,
just bumped
but-
up and
Yeah.
It's not that she didn't try.
Yeah, that's right. She tried to cripple him. She definitely tried to cripple him. But she tends to be very aggressive. And I've heard from people that it's like that is very good because she isn't timid, she isn't afraid, she's not going to miss anything in life type of thing.
Yeah.
But it's just
She gonna
during
go?
these years you have to really control it.
yeah.
Or she'll hurt me. Or she'll hurt me. She'll grab my face. And oh yeah, she'll hurt me. I'm always telling her, don't hurt me.
But when you think about
Then
it,
go get it.
don't you think
Yeah.
it's
So get it
easier
then. We are you
maybe
slaves?
to make somebody come down than it is to try to bring
You got a
someone
dirty
out of their
face.
shell.
You're right. Never did think of that.
I
You know? I mean, you can, there are ways.
Your
Sure,
job.
you can belt her one.
You're right. No, I mean, you can lock her in a room. You can calm her down.
Yeah,
you can,
yeah. You know, take
do
her
things to-
away from the
Ready?
situation
Catch.
that's
Yeah,
making her
catch.
hyper.
Ready? Catch.
But if you're extremely against it, if you're extremely shy, you can talk to every teacher till you're deaf, dumb, and blind, but the kid is the way
Bye-bye.
before, and he was like, hi, I'm your friend, love me, all that baloney.
Where are you,
And
Poco?
Nancy was, where's your
What's
handkerchief?
that? Yeah.
I thought it was a napkin.
You want to go somewhere? Well, go ahead. Take my car keys and hit the road. Be back by 10.
Be back by 10. You got a curfew.
Oh, you need my pocketbook too? Get your own pocketbook. I gave her an old wallet of mine. It was an old wallet I never used anymore.
Yeah.
I said, you can have it. She said, thank you so much. She said, where's the hundreds of dollars that are supposed to be in here? I said, Ixnay.